In this tutorial, you will learn round graduation, faded into the hairline with sharp scissor over comb, combined with an irregular, disconnected, layered top. We start the haircut taking a low side parting along the parietal ridge. Our first section is taken parallel to the parting, directing our section straight up whilst cutting a triangular line. I am taking my guide from the existing length from the fringe. We gradually increase the length as we work back towards the crown. I take slight diagonal section behind the ear. I now take horizontal sections, elevating every section up to the first guide line, cutting a layer. I now repeat this process in reverse, working from the bottom of the section using the width of my fingers as my guide. I continue to take diagonal back sections, taking my guide from the previous zone. Now we start our round graduation, elevating our section straight out from the head and using our previous section as our guide. We continue this process working around the head shape. If you would like a masterclass on round graduation, I will link a tutorial in the bio and in the card above. We continue this process crossing over the back zone. Once we reach the center, we repeat the same process on the opposite side. Let me know in the comments below if you struggle cutting graduation, or let me know if you love cutting graduation. If you value my work and if you'd like to support my channel, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe icons. I'd really appreciate it. And if you'd like to see more short women's haircuts like these, go ahead and watch the playlist. The link's in the bio below and in the card above. We now repeat the exact same process on the opposite side. Choosing to layer this front corner zone will help to create a modern shape by flattening this area out. Combining this layered technique with the round graduation will create a more modern pixie shape, and a shape that can be worn by men or women. Just in case you don't know what round graduation is, round graduation creates a gradual build-up of weight. This means that the hair is cut in a way that creates shape with more weight or thickness towards the perimeter of the haircut. The hair is cut shorter at the nape of the neck and hairline and gradually becomes longer towards the top, creating a rounded silhouette. This technique is often used to add volume and structure to hairstyles, particularly in bobs or shorter pixie haircuts. It's important to maintain hair hydration, the same tension, your body position moving around the head shape, and your elevation is crucial for an even build-up of weight. Taking the time to master short hair cutting techniques can be very valuable on the salon floor, as most hairstylists are afraid of short hair and refuse to cut it, leaving you open to an amazing niche of loyal clients. Once the underneath section is complete, I rehydrate the top before dividing a zigzag section. I comb the section out and simply connect it with the underneath, repeating this process working around the head shape. So far, you have learnt how to combine a layer in the front corners and connect the layer into round graduation. You are now learning an advanced technique that adds texture throughout the internal top zone by taking a zigzag parting. If you have learned something new, and if you value my work, be sure to hit the like and subscribe icons. We now flat wrap the haircut into natural fall, preparing the hair for the scissor overcomb and refining process. I now scissor over comb to strengthen and fit the shape to the head. I'm using a bigger comb as the width of the comb creates a flattering length. Continuing the scissor over comb process into the sides. Keeping the scissors and comb moving in unison will create a perfect finish. I'm now using my croc scissors to soften the scissor over comb, creating a velvety, soft finish. Using a smaller comb to repeat the same process, blending into the previous scissor over combed areas. I'm now refining the hairline with my neck trimmers. Following the hairline, I remove the excess weight. For an even tighter finish, you can use clipper over comb to fade out even closer into the hairline. This is optional, as some people prefer a softer, more textured finish. To refine the top zone of the haircut, we trace the exact same sections, point cutting into the sections. This will soften the shape and increase texture. We continue this working around the head shape. I complete the haircut with cutting a fringe, taking horizontal sections with deep point cutting to create mass texture and movement to the pixie haircut shape. This is my pixie haircut using advanced graduation and layering techniques to create an amazing shape and texture. If you liked this tutorial, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe icons and be sure to watch this tutorial next. Thanks for watching.